Hey wonderful people, today we're diving into the world of Mutton Kalia. This is a famous recipe from my home country, which is Mauritius, and I guarantee you that it's the best mutton curry that you'll ever have. Let's get those taste buds ready for a flavor explosion. First up, grab around 1 kilo of boneless mutton. I'm using mutton, but feel free to choose your favorite meat, which could be beef, lamb, chicken, or anything. Now, marinate the meat with 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and ½ teaspoon of ginger. And here's the secret spice, 3 tablespoons of ready-made Kalia spices straight from Mauritius. Don't have it? No worries. Roast and grind 50 grams of cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, clove, chili and pepper, and voila! Your homemade Kalia spices are good to go. Mix it all up and let it rest for an hour. Fast forward an hour, we're heating things up. In ½ a tablespoon of ghee, throw in the marinated meat. Add another ½ tablespoon of garlic paste, ½ a teaspoon of ginger paste, 3 cardamom pods, 3 whole cloves, and ½ cinnamon stick. Give it a good stir. Now the star of the show, 3 tablespoons of Kalia spices. No store-bought mix? No problem. Remember that roasted and ground magic from earlier? Yeah, use that. Let it cook in the pot for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Next, take a large onion, make it a paste, and join the flavor party. Toss in 25 grams of fried onion, stir, and let it mingle for 5 more minutes. Chop 2 medium-sized potatoes into cubes, and yes, we're throwing them in raw. You may as well fry your potatoes lightly, but I prefer them in this state. Cover the pot and let the curry simmer for 20 minutes. Time to elevate the game. Infuse 1 gram of saffron in ½ a cup of hot milk and pour it in. Follow that up with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, a handful of cashew nuts, and if you're feeling peasy, throw in a handful of green peas. Mix and let it groove for another 10 minutes. Our masterpiece is almost ready. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and mint leaves on top. The aroma? Heavenly. I have also sprinkled fried onions, and we're done. Serve this symphony of flavors with rice, roti or naan, whatever floats your culinary boat. Get ready to savor the perfection that is Mutton Kalia. Happy cooking! Hey, wonderful people! If you're vibing with my recipes, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join my channel, Masha Cooking Tales. I would love to notify you each time I prepare a new dish. Let's rock this together. Love you all.